Since I test many earbuds, most earbuds today really need to impress me within the first like 5 seconds. So what many did was give you big bass hits, aggressive tuning to give you that instant wow. But when you listen to the details, it's really flawed. The NeoBuds Pro 3 plays a longer game, so this is not an earbuds that shouts for attention, but instead it waits until you actually live with it and you notice all the details that makes it awesome. So let's check it out. So the first thing I noticed was not the sound, and although design-wise it's very similar to previous NeoBuds that you see out there and even the higher-end NeoBuds planner, it's really about how well this thing is made and how everything felt. The case has a reassuring weight and the earbuds themselves feels dense without being bulky. Once you get the fit right, they sit securely and blends in to feel absolutely invisible. So these earbuds are rated IP54 as well, so sweat, dust and light rain, not really a problem for daily use. Gym sessions, outdoor walks, commuting, no problem at all. What I really appreciate is the control choice. So similar to the NeoBuds planner, instead of a touch control, Edifier went with a squeeze control, and this is a lifesaver because I realized how much I love resting my arms on my ears like that when I sleep. So having a normal touch control that you tap out here really is like you're gonna touch it, really is quite inconvenient, and all this squeeze control always feels very deliberate because you have to go and press it and not just randomly tap it. So you need to be accurate with it and never really accidentally triggering anything. So this is one of those earbuds that just works really well. When you open the case near an Android phone, then you get Google Fast Pair that shows up instantly. There's no menus, no digging around in Bluetooth settings, and it's not the latest and greatest Bluetooth chip out there, but it's proven and stable. Multi-point is handled properly as well, and I can stay connected to both my laptop and my phone at the same time. And switching between working and music, and I really never think too much about it. Wear detection is also here, so it's reliable and fast, so I just have to gently lift the earbuds up and playback already stops. Put it back in and it resumes exactly where you left off. So all of this adds up to an experience that feels polished rather than, flashy. With low latency mode enabled, response drops to around 80 milliseconds. That is fast enough for mobile gaming, YouTube and casual video editing without really a lot of audio lag. Lip syncing stays locked in, and playing games like PUBG, gunshots definitely sounds where they should be. So ANC here is very similar to the NeoBuds planner, and the Pro 3 here starts to show Edifier's maturity in ANC tuning. And this is adaptive ANC, meaning it constantly adjusts based on your surroundings. So if you walk into a cafe, if you're using public transport, if you're sitting in an office, it adapts without you having to touch the earbuds. And basically that's good because sometimes at quiet places you don't want to always be using the maximum ANC, which pulls down battery life. But personally for me, I'll just stick it to the highest and go about my day. So low frequency noises like engine and air conditioning definitely gets reduced very effectively, but it never really feels pressurized or uncomfortable. Transparency mode here is equally impressive. Voices sound very natural, they're not boosted or artificial. You can have a quick conversation without feeling like the world is being piped through a microphone into your ears. So the NeoBuds Pro 3 really has sound quality nailed down. Inside, you're going to get a hybrid driver setup. So dynamic driver handles the lows as well as general audio, while balanced armature takes care of the mids and highs. So that separation is obvious the moment you start to listen to it. So sub-bass reaches very deep, but it stays controlled. You feel the rumble in electronic tracks and cinematic movie scores, but it never really overwhelms the rest of the mix. Mid-bass here is punchy and clean. Kick drums hit with precision, then it stops exactly where they should. There is no bleed into the mids and no unnecessary warm Vocals sit naturally in a mix. Male vocals have weight and body, and female vocals sound clear and airy without becoming too sharp, and it does sit somewhere in the middle plane with a slight forward tuning, which stands out in separation. Even busy tracks with many instruments remain organized, and vocals never really feel like they're fighting with one another. So high frequencies are detailed and clean, and there is this good sparkle, but at the higher volumes does feel a little bit sharp. Cymbals shimmer instead of hiss, so it does give a pretty good mix overall. Soundstage is wider than expected for a true wireless earbuds, and the imaging here is also very precise, which makes live recordings and acoustic tracks feel layered and very dimensional. And if you turn on spatial audio and the experience becomes more immersive, the sound anchors in one particular space, and as you move your head, the stage stays put. It is subtle, not really gimmicky, and works especially well for movies and live performances. And the beauty here is that you get multiple codec supports as well, so you get LHDC 5.0 as well as LDAC for high resolution playbacks when supported, while still remaining stability when switching devices.
So this is a test to see if the Edifier NeoBuds Pro 3 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect.
So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference.
So now there's a simulated background noise in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below.
Volume level gets comfortably loud without distortion. Even at higher volumes, the sound stays composed and balanced, and I generally get to a comfortable listening volume at around 50% with these earbuds, and I get to a loud volume around 90 to 100%. So it does get loud all the way at max volume, but there's definitely enough power to keep you satisfied. So similarly, the Edifier Connects app here keeps things really simple, and you get your battery status for your earbuds as well as your case, and you get to manage the ANC's behavior. You can tweak EQ or use the preset ones that came with the earbuds, customize controls, and even decide which ANC modes you want to toggle with. And you can even toggle spatial audio from the app. So all the controls change applies instantly, very nice, and the layout is also easy to navigate. Wireless charging is also supported here, which is expected at this price point, but very much appreciated. Fast charging is also genuinely useful, so 15 minutes of charging gives you 3 hours of listening without ANC. Battery life mostly depends on how you use them, and with ANC on, you get around 6 hours from the earbuds and another 18 hours from the case. Turn off ANC and that jumps to around 9 hours plus 27 from the case. In real-world use, battery anxiety is basically not a thing with these earbuds. So the NeoBuds Pro 3 feels like a product built by people who actually listens, not just to music, but to how people use their earbuds every day. It's got a strong sound signature without being aggressive, effective ANC without being overwhelming, and smart features that is actually useful. Like I said, this is not an earbuds that tries to impress you within the first 5 seconds, but after using it for a while, you realize that this is the earbuds that actually wins you over. And honestly, these are the types of earbuds that usually is worth keeping around. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you want another video, check out these videos up here.